Hi there, thanks for joining me in the garage. Exciting times tonight. This is the draw for the fantastic ATOTO S8 stereo head unit. Brand spanking new with the new surround as well that fits the C1s, the Agos, the Mark 1s. The stereo will fit other cars if you want to buy the outer, but this is what I'm giving away. I'm giving away this perfect fitting stereo for your little bug. The prize draw was everybody that wants to enter had got to put a comment on the video that I made doing the review on this beautiful bit of kit. So everybody that commented and said, I want this stereo, here you all are. Now, I'm going to read you all out so you know there's not a massive amount in here. There's quite a few, but it's yeah, you're in a real good chance to win this. So let me just tip them all out and I'll just read all your names out as I'm putting them in the envelope. We've got, it looks like Alan Payne, L1M, Curtis 8516, Jim 675, Not NYX 864, Alan Muffet, Outsider 5112, Jones P 6013, Chris D D8W, Gary Nutter 860, Kevin Bryant 3860. Rowan Nathanall 9934. Some of these names are weird, aren't they? Wayne Brinkley 6284. Especially when I've written down, you can't read me writing. Dangiz 1923. JEBZ99. Christopher Griffiths 1972. Peter Smith J70. Ned Netom. Bacon Seps. The Yemenator. Future Proof UK. DoorDash MCR. Edeners. Just Classed 786. Joe Boantes. Mark McCourtney plus 70. 1974 Sharman. BMW M5550. Northeast Garage Monkey. Goodbow. YM Wacker. Vital 0208. Mad Brad 2000. Fireball Paul 12. Baker Kieran. John Sinnets 5530. Woof Information Portal 4011. DGLGA. Nigel Grundy. Price Silurium 6465. Get the words right. Top Up 73326. Mark TB 363. Something out of nothing 1664. Ethan Tate 352. Gary Philpott 7617. Larry Z4087. Amp Electrical. Hot Wheels .88. Holly Loveridge 5934. Donovan The Good Things 2. The Baron Nev. Gary CB. Mark Nichols 8533. Bernard Housingweld, the last one going in the pot. Right, flip it out. How are we going to do this then? Let's just have a quick sip of my tea out my A. Anton mug. Right then. I need to give these a right good shuffle, don't I? I think what I need to do is something we can't see. I need to try and make this foolproof so that I don't want you thinking I'm choosing anybody that I shouldn't be choosing. I want it to be above board, so I'm going to take everything out of the box so I can't see what's in here. The box is empty. The stereo box is empty. Shake him. Let's give him a good roughing up in the packet here. Ooh. In the box. They're going in the box. They're all in the box. The lid is closed. Right, it's above my head. I cannot see what I'm doing. It's way above. Look, you can't see. I can't even see where the lid is to get the lid open. Right then, here we go. I'm in the box. I'm in the box. I'm fishing round. Okay, I've got a winner in my hand. Bernard Housingweld. Bernard Housingweld, you have won. You have done it, sir. You have won the S8. I will be sending you a message imminently. Congratulations, sir. You've won yourself this £500 stereo. What a bit of kit. I'm really pleased for you. So I'm sorry for everybody else that didn't win. But yeah, we have a winner. Yes! Thanks for everybody who got involved with this one. It's been brilliant. Really enjoy these giveaways. They're fantastic. You're going to love the stereo. If you live anywhere near Leicester, I'll fit it for you. Just bring your car around. But with a name like that, I don't know. I'm thinking you might live abroad. I might be doing this air freight or something like that. But you never know. You might live in the UK. Like I say, thanks for watching. Really enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to the channel because I've got loads more stuff coming on, giveaways and all sorts. Yeah, we've got loads going on. So yeah, keep watching. I've got more stereo stuff coming as well. So there might be some more stereos, yeah, going under the hammer, and we'll give a few more away. So yeah, like, subscribe, watch the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Take care.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day.